Policies and procedures. So this is just kind of a recommendation for employers in light of everything that's going on. You want to make sure that you're looking at your paid and unpaid leave policies. The goal is to make sure that all the language currently complies with the new federal and state leave laws. This is paid sick leave, disability leave, FMLA, or paid family leave. Employers are encouraged to either draft or make sure that their teleworking policies and procedures are comprehensive. Some of the things that you want to include in that teleworking or work from home policy is, address all of the items up front so that employees who are forced to work from home understand what their requirements are, the expectations are. If there are start and end times in a day that you want the employee to adhere to, include them in that policy. Employees should be encouraged to take lunches under that policy. The employees should be recording all time worked, especially non-exempt employees. You want to make sure that they're required to record all hours worked so that you can pay them properly. If there are productivity standards that an employee must meet, you want to include them in the teleworking policies. A lot of companies did not have a work from home policy or did not encourage individuals to work from home prior to this public health emergency, but now they have no choice if they want to stay in business. So it's really recommended that you have some type of written policy on this so that the expectations of both the employer and the employee are clear. Also, updating workplace safety policies and procedures to address those situations where you have a public health crisis. You want to make sure that you're encouraging people to adhere to any state and federal laws, that they understand who to report any workplace injuries to. Just the whole landscape of working from home is much different than in an office environment. So you want to make sure that those policies are updated to address those situations.